Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your voice while you're live on Bigo Live app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store on your phone. Once you download the app, open the app and on your screen you can see there are options like live, video, blue video like icon, chats and me. Tap on blue video like icon and select audio live. Once you select audio live, you have to go live. Once you do that, you can see there's one hamburger like menu right at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. Then you can see there are a few options. There's a mixture option inside room tools. Tap on it. Then you're gonna get various music effects like reverb, like concert, ethereal, KTV, concert hall, etc. You can also equalize your voice, custom, electronic, rock, bass or jazz, anything you want. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your voice on your live on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.